Good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 3 from verse 1 to verse 21. Jesus and Nicodemus. You did have one Pharisee man named Nicodemus, one of the Jew leader them. Him go look for Jesus one night and said to him, say, Teacher, we know say God send you to come teach, because nobody can work the miracle them where you work, if I know God a cause them to do it. So Jesus said to him, say, for true, me I tell you, say, nobody can take part in a God kingdom if they not born again. So Nicodemus asked him, say, then how somebody we old fi born again? Somebody can go back in a mother belly and born one another time? Jesus answered him and say, for true, me I tell you, say, nobody can take part in a God kingdom if they not born over that time in a water and in the spirit. When baby born, a people have people, but God, He make people born in the spirit. So no frightened when you hear me tell you, say, you have to born one next time. Breeze blow, go which part it want to go. You only hear the sound where it make, but you can't see where they come from, and you can't see which part it they go. No, I same so it go with everybody where the spirit make born. How that? Nicodemus asked. But Jesus said to him, say, are you a top teacher in Israel? And you not understanding sitting here when me I talk about? For true, me I tell you, we talk about the sitting them where we know about, and we talk about the sitting them where we see for ourselves. But uno people not talk what we say. If me talk to uno about the sitting them will take place upon the earth, and uno no believe, how uno go believe me if me talk to uno about what go on in a heaven? Nobody never go heaven yet. Only the one will come down from out there, and that are the man where God pick. Just like how Moses did lift up the snake in a desert, as said we so, the man where God pick must get lift up, so all of them who trust in him can live forever. Because you see, God loved the world so much that He give up him one dege boy pitney. So anybody who trust in him now go dead, but them are going to live forever. Because you see, God ain't send him boy pitney in the world to write off the people in the world. No, God sent him to save them. Anybody who trust in a God boy pitney no get right off. But the people them when not trust in him, them done right off already. Because they not trust in a God one dege boy pitney. Them not trust in him name. No. And this will make people get right off. The one where the light come in the world. But the people them will live in the world love darkness instead of light. Them love the dark because a bare wickedness them do. Because everybody will do wrong. Hate light. And then don't want to walk out in the light. Because them afraid to the light when show up the bad sitting them with them and do. But the somebody we are doing God say are the right thing to do. Walk out in the light so that everybody can see say are really God make him do what he man do. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.